kang mentors, wag kang mag-stop, wag kang maging komportable kung ano man yung meron ka na ngayon. You aspire more para you can help others din, di ba? You cannot give what you don't have. So, you need to aspire more also to touch more people na mas mabigyan mo din sila ng blessings.
The best advice ko is to keep going and don't look back. Don't look back, just keep going. Wala talagang perfect. Even if yung mga successful na freelancers na nakikita natin on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, lahat sila merong highs and lows. And hindi natin malalaman yung sagot if we stop here or there, kung nasaan ka man.
Decide first that you really want to be a freelancer before you go into freelancing, because it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be all the time fun and fulfilling. It takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of, blood and sweat. It takes a lot of self-talking. It takes a lot of sleepless nights. But if you decide to do freelancing, one thing that I can say, it's all worth it.
Be patient at all times. Be patient and accepting of whatever is laid down on your plate.
You must be aware that this does take work and focus, okay? You must commit to learning it by taking action. Taking action is equals getting results. And, failure is always part of the equation. And the truth is, we cannot avoid it, no matter what we do. So, it's just a matter of how will you use this experience? Will you give up, stop, and just, get away from it? Or you can use it as a stepping forward. Fail fast and fail forward.
To become the best in your field, you must invest in yourself. Learn from people who already done it. I'm not saying I've already done it, okay? I'm also learning. Surround yourself with people who will be able to help you and lift you up, not criticize you every minute of the day. People who will tell you what can be improved, and you have to be open to listen and consider, because they might be coming from the space where they care. That's why they're saying it. Be coachable when you ask for advice. Okay? When you seek advice, seek from people who know what they are talking about.
They should not skip optimizing their profile, for one, whether it's in Upwork or LinkedIn or any platform they choose to be in. They have to show what they are doing and in what market. For example, I have been a content writer for medical supplies businesses, and I increased their lead generation by 20%.
Decide to never give up. If you really want this, you have to decide that you'll be taking action, not just wait for any push from anyone else but yourself.
Being freelancer is kinda hard to think at first because it has unstable income. But what it can give to you is your dreams. You'll be able to enjoy the luxury of working anywhere and anytime you want, as long as you have the dedication.
Just show up. That's it. Just show up and they will see you.
Just take action. There's nothing that can stop you from achieving your potential. But if you stay stuck, then nothing will happen. So just move and progress over perfection.
Never be afraid to fail. You should count your failures as part of your success. Because if you never failed, that means you never learned.
I know the road to success is not easy and it's not evident for everyone. My tips, my advice may not be applicable to you, but these are the basic, as you can see. I'd like you to expand your mind. I'd like you to think as if, imagine, what would you do if you know and think that there are a lot of clients out there looking for you? So all you need to do is just reach out to them. So don't be afraid. Some aspiring entrepreneurs or freelancers, if I may say, they're saying that most of the clients are looking for experience, then just be honest. Come from a space wherein, you can just tell them that I don't have experience yet, but I'm willing to learn and I'm willing to go extra mile to be able to deliver the results that you want me to. Just give me the opportunity and the chance.
One thing that I can really say is that you're really in for some really exciting career. So it's really completely different with if you're like me who came from a corporate background. It's completely different when you're doing your own thing. It's exciting because you are seeing you can see how you're growing as a person. But at the same time, it's also scary because you will have failures. That's a given. So everyone who start freelancing experience failure in some ways. So you need to persevere. You need to have a clear goal. You need to have a clear mission, a clear why of why you're doing this. So when that time comes that you are struggling, you are being challenged, you have problems, you will continue because you know why you are doing it. So just keep at it. Just keep doing it. And if you are consistent, I think that's the most important thing for a freelancer. You have to be consistent, and eventually you will get the results that you're looking for.
Go, like on the entrepreneurs, like go for it. Just own it. It's a part of who you are. Own it.
We have different paths to take. So you have your own story, you have your own goals. Just don't compare yourself with others, because your story is amazing and God is preparing it for you. Just keep showing up and don't ever give up.
To always be curious, always have a desire to learn things, and because I've also embraced this mindset that I'm a lifelong learner and I'll never stop learning. I'm learning every day. Before, I'm always comparing myself to others. It's like they already have this and they already have that. They already did this, did that, something like that. Then I learned that the only thing that you need to compare yourself to, or your present self, is your former self or your previous self.
Be aggressive. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and offer your service, and take stock and inventory of what you have, and be honest what you can do and what you can't. I mean, if you want to specialize in certain strands like assisting in data entry, that can be. It doesn't have to all be cold calling. Like, you could specifically apply for more secretarial admin duties, executive jobs, so you wouldn't have to be in the phone straight for 4 hours. Keep investing in yourself and in your training.
It's like a road na sobrang daming past, and it's easy to get lost in freelancing work. But there's one thing that I always tell to myself. When you go to sleep, feeling mo ba satisfied kasi sa ginawa mo the whole day in your freelance journey? Because if yes, kahit wala pa siyang results ngayon, push it. Whatever is in your way na parang feeling mo, oh my God, this is so hard. Take that hard task with you and overcome it. And you're gonna miss it if tapos na pala. Ano lang pala yun? Never, ever, ever, ever give up.
So just do it, just be consistent, just be disciplined. It's not supposed to be easy, because if it's easy, everyone will do it, and no one has figured it out from the start. We all started on that stage. We all started as a beginner, and every expert that you know was once a beginner. So if you were a beginner, it's normal. It's normal that you are having a hard time, but I just want you to know that it's part of the journey. Just don't give up. If you need a community, please find your community, because it will help you a lot. They know something that you don't. Ask, and please don't be scared to ask for help, because God will give you the right people. God will place you on where you are, where you should be. So yeah, just don't give up. Take risks. Get out of your comfort zone. You will never know what will happen and don't underestimate what a year can do in your life.